Yo guys, it's Kay. It's freaking freezing rain outside. We're going into the blizzard. We're going into the blizzard.
Hi, I'm Melanie.
Run!
Subscribe to my YouTube channel at Lydia and
No, it sucks. Don't subscribe to it. If you throw ice at me, I will kill you. No! 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 You're a nuisance to this community. Guys, Clash!
The girls fall in love with me. Wait, let's do Fortnite dances.
No.
Wait, ready, watch. I can do it like Sal.
I wish I could.
Ready, watch.
This vlog is just gonna be us like messing around in the snow. It's freezing. Living my best life.
You want to be a soccer player? Ready?
Oh my god.
I did it! Ready? Oh, the deer, but it's a rock.
We lost Mel in the snow.
Uh-oh. Wait, imagine that's me. Right there.
Oh, I thought you were talking about that.
All right, right now we're gonna go inside and then I'll be back with another vlog. It's literally so cold.
that's
Faith, you don't want to come out here. It's freezing.
Alright.
We just got back inside. Gonna think of some things to do and then we'll be back.
Living our best life.
Oh, it's not now. We're about to go make some TikToks. And we'll be back. Thanks for watching.
Bye. Don't call me an HOE in the comments.